Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC grill emblem. First, gather all your necessary tools to ensure a smooth process. You'll need a heat gun or a hairdryer to soften the adhesive, along with some strong fishing line or dental floss. Don't forget your plastic trim removal tools to prevent any scratches, and have some adhesive remover and a soft microfiber cloth on hand for the final cleanup. Having everything ready makes the job much easier. Next, let's prepare the area around your GMC emblem. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the grill and the emblem itself to remove any dirt or debris. This ensures a clean working surface. Then, carefully apply painter's tape around the emblem's edges. This acts as a protective barrier for your vehicle's paint. Now, gently heat the emblem for about 1 to 2 minutes using your heat gun or hairdryer, softening the adhesive for easier removal. Ensure even heat distribution. Now for the main event, removing the emblem. Take your fishing line or dental floss and carefully slide it behind one edge of the emblem. Using a gentle sawing motion, work the line back and forth across the entire emblem, cutting through the adhesive. If the emblem is still stubborn, use your plastic trim removal tools to very gently pry it away. Remember, patience is key here. Avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to your grill. Finally, let's clean up the area and achieve a perfect finish. You'll likely have some adhesive residue left on the grill. Apply a small amount of adhesive remover to your microfiber cloth. Avoid spraying it directly onto the vehicle. Gently rub the affected area until all the sticky residue is completely gone. This might take a few minutes of careful work. Once clean, wipe the entire area with a fresh, damp cloth to remove any chemical residue, leaving your grill spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.